In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make ocean fishing spot in Pokopia. So what we need to do, firstly, I'm going to open up Habitat here. You can see that we need a fishing rod and this like a stool just next to it. And to make this stool, you need to firstly go into your crafting table here. And here it is. It's actually called a log chair, to be fair, so you need just one small log and then you can make it. You can get a small log pretty easily by just chopping down a tree basically, and you will get a lot of it. And now what we need to do, you should, by the way, see if you're around this location, you should be able to see the fishing rod. I think either here or here. So just grab it, and then now we can do like this. We can do here. And then we need to also get the log chair next to it right here. And you can see by doing exactly that, you will now actually have an ocean fishing spot. And that is exactly how to actually make it.